All right, so I've just got to do this, you guys. This is a follow up to the show because it's been bugging me. I was reviewing what we were just doing, and I'm like, I'm really curious about this. Can we make a fresh margarita skinny? So we're gonna use a half an ounce of tres agaves. This is agave nectar, and we just figured out because we have a friend who who said, "Yo, I was a pharmacy tech, and 30 mils. So, dude, so half an ounce is only 30 calories. So let's do half an ounce, man. So we're gonna do half an ounce of our tres agave. Let's do that. So our agave syrup, that's our sweet. We're gonna do half an ounce of that. This is like a bonus cocktail. I had to do this. I just couldn't get away. It's just like, shit, I want to know. All right, and then the fresh lime. So, I'm smelling the lime from our friend's backyard who live in Torrance, and oh my god, this is like the juiciest lime. You know, you guys, this is what's funny. This is literally a historic margarita. This is like exactly what the original margarita was. It was, dude, it was a sweetener, it was some lime juice, and it was tequila, and that's it. So we're making a skinny margarita. I'm telling you, this is nothing. So we got 30 calories, lime juice, nothing, tequila reposado, like there's nothing to it, man. All right, so I'm gonna, oh my god, Cazadores, you can get this at Smart and Final, man. It's nothing. It's nothing. All right, I'm doing 2 ounces. I mean, I'm not gonna finish all these cocktails because I'm gonna use because if I finish all these, I'm gonna have to be, using my ass cheeks to, to do it. So, then I've got a little chilled glass right here. Gonna need a little bit of ice. Because part of me is, you guys, I was a little bummed on the last show because I didn't get to shake any cocktails. When you're a bartender, you want to fucking shake a cocktail. So, let's go! We're shaking that up. That is, oh, baby! Ooh! Oh, the very person who suggested it, Mrs. Arger. I love your husband. I love your daughter. This is just like awesome. All right, where the hell is where's my Hawthorne strainer? Oh shit, I'll be right back. Hang on. All right, I don't do salt because I don't, and I'm trying to watch my sodium because it's not good for my blood pressure and whatever. But I know salt is a beautiful thing, but I don't. So here's a little thing. And this is, I'm telling you, I'm not even gonna, usually I put a little float, I put a little like 1/4 ounce of Grand Marnier in my margaritas, but let's do that, and then we're just gonna squeeze, big ass fresh lime in that, whatever. So these are like, dude, this is like, there's nothing to this. This is maybe like, I don't know, what is that? So it's agave nectar, filtered water, and citric acid on that, and then the tequila and whatever. So this is maybe 125? Let's see. Let's just try it. Shut the front door. That is so good. All right. Dude, there's nothing to that. That is a half an ounce of agave nectar, 30 calories. 2 ounces of tequila, so that's about 100. Most 2-ounce spirits, about 100. And then lime juice, that's nothing. That's it. And I shook it up. And I put it in a chill glass. That's it. So that's a margarita. That's fantastic. Thank you, Jackie, for the brilliant idea. Oh, my teacher of the district, whatever. I know. I'm blessed. I have great kids. I have a great place to work, and it was just kind of like the natural result of an awesome environment. I thank God every single day that that I found the place where I work, and the blessings are all around me. So I bless all of you. I thank you for joining me, and thanks for those of you who turned into my little live bonus show, and I'll see you next week. Bye, baby. All right. Yeah, there we go.